apply online visa application to Canada. So you have to know how to fill up the online visa application form. Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Mr. J. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are fine. Beginning of this video, if you are the new person in this channel, so I have a request to you. You have to subscribe my channel. The following video you will get easily. So now I will teach you how to fill up the form. Alright, so first we have to I will teach you that if you have applied before and you have biometric confirmed for 10 years, so you have to write down here UCI number if you have. Alright, number UCI, like this number you have. If you have, you have to write down. If not, so leave it. So in which category you are going to apply, so you have to select from here visa request. If you want to apply visitor visa, so you have to select visitor visa. If you want just transit, so you can select transit. It's depend on you. Alright, I have some videos about transit and visitor visa, and also have the video for the online visa application to how to submit. Alright, in this link the link I have in description, I have put for you, so you can follow that. So I select visitor visa. Alright, so here you have to write down your name, alright. If you have family name, means which they call. If not, so you just leave it now. Male selected. Date of birth you have to write down here. First you have to write down year. In which city you are living. If I am talking about Pakistan, so I am talking about Lahore, country Pakistan. Citizenship Pakistan. Here also country of territory Pakistan. Status is about citizen. So here they are asking you previous countries or territory of residence. During the past 5 years, have you lived in any country or territory other than your country of citizen or your current country or territory of residence? Indicate above for more than 6 months. Mean even you 6 months also living in the 5 years, you also have to write down here and give all of example. If not, so if yes, so you have to do it. Alright, here you have to select which country, everything you have to explain here. Mostly people, if not, so just say no, if not applicable. Here it's asking a country or territory where applying, same as current country or territory of residence. So where are you at this time, where are you applying? You have to select that country. If I'm applying from Pakistan, so I have to select Pakistan. Alright, I have to say yes. Alright, because I'm applying from Pakistan, so same country or territory I'm talking about this. Alright, because sometimes citizen you have Pakistan, but you are applying from other country like Japan, Abu Dhabi, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Hong Kong, wherever you are, you can apply, Argentina, like that. Alright, so here it's asking you your current marital status. So if you are married or single, you have to select married. Alright, here I have to write down married date. Write down the wife name. Here you have to give the name, family name, or here you have to put the given name, and you have to match with your passport. Do not mistake here. Alright, it is asking you, ASCO, have you previously been married or in a common law relationship? If you have, so you have to explain. If not, so you just say no. Next we are coming to the language. All right, mother tongue. Mostly I have mother tongue Urdu language, so I select Urdu. All right, if you have other language, you have you known well, you can speak, so you have to tell English. Have you taken a test from a designated testing agency to assess your proficiency in English or French? If you have it, so you have to say yes. If you don't have it, you just say no. This is next. You have to write down here your passport number. All right, issue from where? Pakistan. Or issue dates. Expiry date. All right, so national identity documents here, if they required you to write, otherwise they don't require 5 to 6, you just leave it like that. So national identity documents. So do you have a national identity documents? You have. If you have, you have to say yes. If you don't, so you just say no. All right, so I have to say yes, so you have to write down identity documents, whatever year you have to write. Issue from where? Pakistan. Issue date, if you known well, you can write here, otherwise you leave it like that. So next are the USPR card. If you have USPR card, you have to write down here USPR card. If you don't have, so you just say no. All right, you do not leave any column free, because I have leave it here. It's not a big deal, but I can do, it's not seriously. All right, so next we could talk about contact information. Contact information here, it asks you address. All right, if submitting your application by mail. All right, so you have to write down here address, where are you living right now. Okay, so I talk about ball. Next we are coming to here our purpose of visit. All right, details of visit to Canada. So you have some category from here, which purpose you are going to apply. If just visit, you have to apply for visit. All right, tourism or whatever category you are, family visit, any kind of category you can apply. If tourism, just tourism. Select when will you travel to Canada, so you have to write down here 2020 12 01 2020 12 01 15 next year. All right, this is my travel plan, the how long I will stay. All right, so it is as your funds available for my stay in Canadian amount. You have to tell how much dollar or how many dollar would like to take. So 5,000 is enough, or 10,000, it depend on you how much you would like to take. So next it is asking you name, address and relationship of any person or institution I will visit. All right, so you have to write down the person name. So here you have to write down relationship, if the person you have relationship. Otherwise you have to write down the, if you are attaching your hotel booking confirmation, so you have to write down the hotel address here in this area, hotel address, or here, sorry, in this area name, or in this area hotel address, you have to write here. All right, hotel address. If you would like to stay in another hotel, so you have to write down also, mention I will stay in second hotel from which area, which cities or which area in Toronto, in Ontario or any other cities you would like to stay, so you have to explain here also. All right. I just put not applicable because why? Because I let you know you have to write down by yourself what you're going to do with this section. Alright, because it's your information, you have to put by yourself, because someone also invite you to give you an invitation letter, so you have to write down the relationship. If your sister inviting you, so you have to write down my sister or sister-in-law, brother-in-law, alright, or friend's name or relationship, you have to tell friend's name come here, address come here, or relationship you have to write down. Alright, in any kind of relationship you have to explain. If you have business, so you have to explain the business purpose here. Alright, and you have to add your education, last 10 years you have completed. Alright, or any short course, any institute you have done, so you have to write here, explain here. If not, just say no. Alright, if yes, so you have to yes or write down. I just put no because I would like to take short time. So here I have to let you know employment. Employment means that last 10 years, how many business, how many jobs you have done before, education, whatever you have done. So you have to explain here how long. Alright, for example, I have done my business start from 2008, alright, end up 2012, alright. I just shortly telling you, but you have to write and complete. Alright. Business name you have to put here. Which city? Lahore, Pakistan. So like this I have just given you example. Alright, so here you have to put current one. I just put previous one, but here you need the current business, mean you have done it in 2020. Alright, like this. Yeah, that's was for your current activity you are doing now. So previous activity you have to write down here. So more previous activity in the last 10 years you have done, you have to write down here. So you can explain. If you have only one, so you just write down one. You are doing only one business for the past 10 years, so you have to completely explain here. Okay, next we are going to in this section, okay, the page background information. The background information, if you have this kind of symptom or any kind of asking you about health, so you have to write here in this box. If you don't have, so just say no. Alright, next item number 2. I have to I would like to talk about this number 2, alright, section, because mostly people made a mistake here and they get 5 years ban. This is confirmed. If you have made this mistake, so I will tell you, you're going to get 5 years ban. There are no solution for you to resolve, so you have to wait to enter to 5. After 5 years you can enter to Canada, because Canada always asks you this kind of activity that you have done before. Alright, if you have, so you have to explain. Mostly you are, they catch you from here. Have you ever been refused a visa or permit, denied entry, or ordered to leave Canada or any other country or territory? So if you previously refused from Canada, you have to say yes. If you refused from USA, you also have to say yes. Alright, or either it's asked you, have you previously applied to enter or remain in Canada? If this section also come to you, so you also have to say yes. Alright, so you have to yes you have to say. If not, so you just leave it no, this one yes, or you have to write down here. If you are refused from United States of America, USA, okay. If in this category anything you have to explain. If not, then leave it. So the last section I have to let you know, previous travel. It is asked you since the age of 18 or during the past 5 years, whichever is more recent, have you traveled to any country, territory other than the country of your citizenship or your current country or territory of residence. So you have to explain your travel history here. All right, I just would like to let it one to write for you the how to do. If you want to add, so you have to plus down, add more, all right, in wow. All right, so from to, all right, if you have travel start from 2019 October, still come back in October. So I last visit in Turkey, Istanbul, all right friend. If you have in last 5 years or more travel in any country, so you can explain. All right, you don't need to write down the date, you have to just month or which country you travel or locations or travel, what purpose of travel you have to mention here. After that, same like this, validation completed successfully. All right, so this is your travel history form. Next we talk about family information. Family information, you're going to apply online visa application. You have to select visitor. Here you have to write down asking your main applicant, all right, spouse name here, or date of birth or country of birth. Here this is telling you, all right, that you have to give complete address, city, town, country and date. All right, so how many person like to travel with you, you have to select yes. If person not travel with you, it's just select no. And then it is ask you about your children, ask you about brothers, sisters. You have to complete the form and their date of birth or their gender or their occupations. All right, this all you have to write, and write down date here and print out and signature. And then these 3 forms you can submit by paper also if you print out, or if you going to submit online, so just you have to save it 3 of forms, and when you go to the visa application online, all right, so you have to upload these 3 forms for each applicant. All right, so next I briefly have to tell you that where you have to do this. You have to sign up here, sign in with GC key. I have put links in my description that how to sign up, sign with the GC key is all instruction with you, you can follow that. All right, even I have for transit also, and also IRCC web form for you to how to contact embassy. This is also, or you also can check eligibility for here. All right, it is telling you all of things that how to check eligibility. All right, and you can download the form here also. Apply for visitor visa. All right, it is telling you eligibility for you, who can apply, how to apply. I just would like to teach you that you can check by yourself. All right, this is all instruction for you how to apply, but I have put for you application how to fill up online, what to do. So here asking you some question, how do you want to apply online, get instruction. So they are giving instruction here. Okay, then you have to apply for visitor visa online. That's all. All right, so I don't want to make long video for you much, because you have to learn by this how to do this. If you need how to apply online, so I have put, again I have to tell you, in description link of my video how to apply online visitor visa, any type of visa, and also have a link of the transit visa, how to apply online. All right, so I will see you in the next video. I hope this video useful for you. Please share this video to your friend and like my video. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.